Check out this powerful pet grooming kit, clean, easy, and perfect for every furry friend. This is the One-Eyes-All 4-in-1 Dog Grooming Kit, a complete all-purpose trimmer designed to replace 4 different grooming tools in one compact device. With its powerful 7,000 revolutions per minute motor and 3 adjustable speeds, you can glide through thick coats, trim sensitive paw areas, shape the face and ears, and even grind nails, all with one tool. It delivers up to 2.5 hours of cordless runtime with fast USB-C charging, so you never have to worry about a mid-groom shutdown. The stainless steel blade and IPX7 waterproof design let you rinse the entire trimmer under water for quick, hygienic cleaning. The LED battery display shows you the exact percentage remaining, perfect for multi-pet households. Lightweight, low noise, and beginner-friendly, this is the easiest way to groom your pet from head to tail at home. Meet the Dremel Paw Control 7760 Pet, a gentle, safe, and easy nail grooming tool trusted by thousands of pet owners. This cordless, lightweight grinder gives you a smooth nail trim without the fear of cutting too short. The built-in 45 degrees nail guard helps you find the perfect angle while collecting dust and reducing mess. With 9 sanding accessories and the easy twist cap, switching between grinding options is quick and simple. Powered by a rechargeable 4V lithium-ion battery and USB charger, it's always ready when you are. The soft grip design and 4 adjustable speed settings give you total control, whether your pet has thin nails or thick claws. The kit includes everything you need: the grinder, sanding bits, charging cable, and a complete guide to get started. Dremel makes safe, stress-free nail trimming easy, right at home. Introducing the Arobo Dog Grooming Vacuum PG100, a powerful 5-in-1 pet grooming system designed for a clean, stress-free grooming experience at home. With an incredible 12,000 pascal suction, it captures up to 99% of shedding hair directly into the dust cup, keeping your home clean and fur-free while you groom. It features 3 adjustable suction levels and a super quiet design under 50 dB, making it perfect even for sensitive pets. You also get 6 guide combs ranging from 3mm to 24mm, allowing you to trim any coat length with ease. The large 2L dust cup means fewer stops, and the quick-release system makes emptying effortless. With a 4.9-foot detachable hose, you get extra flexibility and can keep your pet comfortable away from the motor. Arobo gives you a true professional quality grooming experience, right at home, anytime. This is the One-Eyes-All Dog Grooming Vacuum, a complete 7-in-1 grooming kit that trims, vacuums, and de-sheds at the same time. It collects up to 99% of loose hair straight into the 1.5L dust cup, keeping your home clean with zero mess. The clippers, paw trimmer, and nail grinder can be used with or without the vacuum, giving you total flexibility indoors or outdoors. With only 59 dB noise and 3 suction levels, even sensitive pets stay calm. Perfect for shedding season and daily grooming at home. Meet the One-Eyes-All Dog Clipper, ultra quiet under 50 dB, sharp yet safe, and perfect for beginners. Keep your pet looking fresh at home with this #1 bestseller used by over 1.5 million pet lovers. Today we're looking at the One-Eyes-All BM3 Dog Grooming Vacuum, a powerful 7-in-1 grooming system designed to keep your home clean while keeping your pet looking great. This machine delivers an impressive 13,000 pascal suction, capturing up to 99.99% of loose hair directly into the 3-liter dust cup, which is twice the size of most competitors, so you empty it far less often. The kit includes 7 tools: a grooming brush, de-shedding brush, cleaning roller, long nozzle, and a cordless dog clipper with 6 guard combs, giving you a full professional grooming experience at home. Noise stays under 60 dB, and you can switch between 3 suction levels depending on your pet's comfort. The cordless clippers glide through thick hair easily, and the extra long hose and power cord make grooming anywhere in your home simple. If you want a cleaner, quieter, all-in-one grooming solution, the One-Izol BM3 is definitely worth checking out. Today we're taking a look at the One-Izol Pet Clipper for cats, a compact, quiet, and powerful grooming tool designed especially for matted and long hair. This clipper features a strong motor paired with a sharp stainless steel and ceramic blade, giving you fast, clean trims without pulling or hurting your pet. It's lightweight, super small, and easy to handle with a simple one-button design, making it perfect for beginners. Even veterinarians love it for its precision on sensitive or injured animals. Noise stays under 50 dB, so even anxious or shy cats stay calm during grooming. With IPX7 waterproofing and USB charging, you get around 90 minutes of cordless use after a full charge. And the kit includes everything: guide combs, cleaning tools, oil, and a portable storage bag. If you need a safe, quiet, and travel-friendly cat shaver, this One-Izol clipper is a great pick. Today we're looking at the Dremel 7350 Pet, the newest 4-volt pet nail grinder designed to make at-home grooming safer and easier. This grinder is a gentle alternative to traditional nail clippers and comes with 4 sanding bands plus everything you need to trim your pet's nails comfortably at home. It's 7% quieter than the previous 7300 model, with low vibration, perfect for anxious or timid pets. You also get 30% more runtime, thanks to its improved rechargeable lithium battery, complete with a handy micro USB charging system and LED indicator. Lightweight, compact, and cordless, the 7350 Pet is easy to control and comfortable to use on small, medium, and even large dogs and cats. If you want stress-free nail grooming at home, this Dremel kit is definitely worth it. Today I'm checking out the One-Izol 4-in-1 Dog Grooming Kit, a powerful, low-noise grooming set perfect for heavy and long thick coats. This clipper uses a stainless steel blade with a strong 6,800 revolutions per minute motor, making it ideal for breeds like poodles, Shih Tzus, golden retrievers, and even thick-coated border collies. You get a 2000 mAh main clipper with up to 240 minutes of run time, plus an 800 mAh paw trimmer designed for sensitive areas like paws, ears, and around the mouth. Noise stays under 55 dB, so your pets stay calm while grooming. And with its IPX7 waterproof design, cleaning is super easy, just rinse and go. If you want a cordless, powerful, pet-friendly grooming kit, this One-Izol set is absolutely worth checking out. Introducing the One-Izol Dog Clippers, the powerful grooming tool made specially for thick, heavy, and matted coats. This upgraded shaver uses a durable stainless steel blade and a 6,800 revolutions per minute high-performance motor, giving you fast, smooth cutting without pulling or snagging, even on dense fur. With noise levels under 55 dB, your dog stays calm, making grooming easier, stress-free, and much faster. You get 10 detachable guide combs from 3mm to 25mm, giving you full control for every coat type. Curly, double coat, short coat, or long seasonal cuts. The large 2000 mAh battery delivers up to 240 minutes of use and fully charges in just 2 hours, perfect for multiple pets or full-body grooming. Plus, the IPX7 waterproof design lets you wash the entire clipper for a cleaner, longer-lasting performance. Cordless, lightweight, and built for home or outdoor use, the One-Izol dog clippers make professional grooming easy, affordable, and safe for your pet. Thanks for watching. For more pet grooming reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe.